what up? It's your hair girl, and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I was aiming for blonde, but I was also aiming to get rid of the red. So while I failed miserably in one aspect, I don't really see too much red. Alright.
We're bleaching the knot on the wig. We're gonna make it look sick. And when the time has come to wash it all off, it's gonna look sick.
I have no makeup on because I'm dyeing my hair, and when you're washing your hair, when you're dyeing it, it just all comes off, so I couldn't be bothered. Today we're going to dye our hair 2 shades darker than it already is. Schwarzkopf Igora dyes. Alright, I'm ready. Might I just say, I'm really freaking digging this look. I think it looks insane. I made my makeup match it because that's what you do when you get a new color. I think that's it. I think there's nothing left to do except go out and enjoy my freaking hair. Ah, oily haired Stella is back. Yeah. About 40 grams of 3.7 right here, about 10 to 15 grams of 4.6, and now I'm going to add an equal amount of 20 volume developer with it, mix it up, apply it. So this is basically what I'm going for. It's kind of super liquidy. And now I'm just going to really apply it really quickly, leave it on for exactly 5 minutes and wash it off immediately. Okay, so here is the completely finished look. Bye! Hello, today I'm dyeing my hair brown. My hair always fades off this color. Always, always, always. When I cut it a year ago, it was this color. I have no goals, no expectations. Basically, I just want my roots covered and I want more silver in my hair. Oh, yeah, go. Oh my god, guess whose hair is another color? You guys know how much I love dark hair, especially on myself. So I'm absolutely living for this. I'm really into the whole weird color scenario because I don't know what color it is. Look, I'll show you from. Extend that leg. Put a hair mask in my hair because my hair desperately needs it, and I will be back later on to show you how it looks dried and styled, and hopefully will still look decent. Okay. There you have it. That's how to dye your hair. Gray-ish. Dark red. Listen, I don't know where this video was. This is kind of like a very confusing video, but you know, it's there. You can do with it as you please, and I still like it. I still like my hair. I think it looks phenomenal. It's got a very gothic vibe to it. I do wish it was lighter because it is summer, but that's, you know, that's whatever. Hey, what up? It's your hair girl, and today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. I have no expectations, I have no idea how it's going to turn out. I just know that I've got severe roots, my color has more or less faded out, and I'm just bored. Everything is going to be down in the description box below, as always, so we're gonna get straight to it. I was feeling very impromptu, as you could tell. I don't mind it, obviously. I never mind anything. But I... Anyway, this is my new color. Oh my god, look how cute this is. Oh, I'm fangirling over myself. Even the color, look at the color. Look at the richness of the color. Wow, these have a blue tinge on them. I was wondering why it all of a sudden got so much duller. Today we're going to try to reattempt the emerald. I need to bring out the dies. Why didn't I start that? Today I'm going to be using nothing but the emerald. Yes, I matched my nails to my future hair because I am that psyched. Without further ado, let's get into the video because I'm impatient and I'm really curious if this thing is recording. This still looks blue to me. Actually, no, it looks purple to me. Ooh. Apparently I attract blue. Completely purple in the pan. Oxidizes pretty dark blue. I have no idea how it's going to turn out. Kind of excited. Hopefully it's not gonna look disgusting. Hello and welcome back to my still very blue hair. So I'm going to be mixing up this color right here, which is almost spot on to my own hair. What I'm hoping is going to happen is that it takes on a similar color to my roots. In this sense, yellow and blue make green. I'm really hoping it's not going to turn ugly. Without further ado, let's get on with the second part for dyeing. How do we look now? I'm feeling it. Screw you guys for telling me my hair is damaged. Screw you. I feel like at this point, the whole emerald green idea can be just tossed in the trash. Guys, doing it again. Today I'm going to be trying to dye my hair emerald green for the third consecutive time. Phantom green, aquamarine. Oh wow, this is blue. This is, oh. Do you work? Okay, let's try something right now. Oh god, okay. I'm going to be going in with my original emerald dye, P623 Dark Blonde Emerald by Schwarzkopf Igora Pearl Essence. Let's get on with the video. Lord help me now. And this is my hair. I'm gonna bring you in closer just so you can see exactly what I created. Oh, look at it, look at it. Oh, that was a cute style. This is cute. Look at me with my green pony. It is my dream color. It is everything that I ever wanted for the past 3 months. It is, oh my god. On this day, we have made history. Today, it's going to just mostly be just me playing around with hair colors because I'm kind of bored. My hair is kind of in that in-between phase where it's like kind of fading out. Nah, I'm bored. I'm going to be going in with only Arctic Fox Phantom Green. I don't think I'm going to be diluting it at all. It's okay. It's a bit wild. Let's go. This is blue, this is green. Blue, green. What? I mean, is this pigment from my previous dye? I bet it's going to turn out exactly the same as last time though, because I had nothing but blue pigment in my hair and now I just added back the green, so. Oh well. Welcome to green. Is that I was only doing it because I knew I was going to eventually change completely from this kind of a color spectrum, so I decided to give the green like kind of a final go. Oh baby! Also, look at this like curl moment I have going on. Look at the volume of this. I definitely wanted more of a messy look because I felt like green is a messy color. I mean, you're not gonna go for like an elegant look when you have green hair. Yep, that is about it. I am now going to go and enjoy myself because I feel really, really cute. On the off chance that you're stuck inside and you're also stuck inside with a bunch of hair dye, follow this video. Otherwise, I don't know. Use this as entertainment. Today we're gonna try Do Red. Hello, hi. All the products that I'm going to be using today are by Layton House, including the developer. I'm going with 20 volume developer. No, I'm confused. Oh, I get it. This is such a sexy box. Sir.
Oh, you think this is okay?
Well, Ross and Emily aren't going to use it.
So,
Our honeymoon suites would think it was a loose. No.
Ooh, okay. I'm excited. A lot. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, that was it. That was the entire video. I burnt myself so many bleeding times with this curler. Oh my god. But anyways, I'm happy. I'm a happy person.
okay, shut, finish.
Let's dye some hair. Going in with the ice blue color. Applying the lavender and the ice blue with my fingies.
I don't get sick. Getting sick is for weaklings. It's for pansies.
Wow, what if they came in third in a modeling contest?
Mister, isn't that like incest or something? Oh my god, and they're gonna have sex.
But, I don't think it's the kind you're gonna like.
There's no back to this couch.
Top color is kind of looking very purple. And I'm really hoping I didn't mix up the silver and the lavender, because this is then looking very, very silver. I'll leave it on for 30 minutes, wash it off, and then see what happens. Okay, so I just did my makeup and I pulled up my hair just so it's not on my face. And now I'm really, really digging this look. And I kind of want to leave it like this, but I'm like, I spent so much time dyeing this hair, I might as well give it a style that's going to like really show off all the colors, because this thing is phenomenal. Oh my god, look at it. I'm in love with this so much. Oh my god. No, you get hints of blue, hints of lavender, hints of just like a pure steely gray, and I'm like digging it so much. I think that it is such a gorgeous color, and the fact that it's a permanent color means that it's a permanent color. Ain't gonna fade. It ain't gonna fade, honey.
I am dyeing my hair. I'm going to go double the shades darker. I picked up two of their dyes, the 4.77 and 577, which is kind of like a burgundy borderline purple type of a color. Ooh, ooh. Leaving this on for 45 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna style it, and then I'm going to show it to you. This is my hair color. I missed the dark. I love dark hair. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm definitely not one of those people that's going to tell you, oh my god, you should go for highlights. You should go blonde. You should, no, don't. Go burgundy, go copper, go red. Oh my god. I'm in love. I think it came absolutely incredible. Over, and I left it on for 45 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.